This is a 9-foot slim bodied Christmas tree, and I'm gonna light it with cluster lights and snake lights. First, I'm using a 50-foot cluster light on the trunk. I use the zigzag technique and push the light straight up against the trunk from top to bottom in a zigzag pattern. Then I'm gonna start at the top again with my snake lights. I'm going to use 3 different strands of snake lights going from the top to the bottom in a zigzag pattern in and out on each branch. So this is the first snake light, and as you can see, I'm going to go from top to bottom, and then I'm going to start again at the top with another snake light, and this will be a total of 3,000 lights on the snake lights plus another 1,500 on the cluster light. So this will be a total of 4,500 lights. I'm gonna set the cluster light on a different setting, and it's going to give a subtle twinkle and some subtle movement to this tree without being overpowering. And this was a great lighting setup. I hope you try it. You're gonna need cluster lights and snake lights. Okay, this is really bright in the video, but this is real nice in person. This is, okay, I've got the cluster strand going down the middle in the middle by the trunk, back and forth by the trunk. And then I have 3 strands of snake lights lighting the edges on the branches, in and out, zigzag on the branches. So I know the video kind of makes it look like one solid piece of light, but it's not. But it's real nice. I set the cluster light is on a different setting. It's like one of the twinkle settings, and it's just giving a little bit of movement, but not like, it's not overpowering. It's very subtle. So that is a game changer. My new lighting setting right here. It's my new lighting setup. It's gonna be cluster light down the middle, snake lights on the outside,